Hello, P7 here. So today we have this interesting Italian lock. This is a Viro Palladium, and it's a Viro Palladium PV. There's another version that I believe has an interactive pin here. Although this is a dimple lock, this key is not reversible, as you can see. And that is because they chose to have only one side with dimples, and they have sliders here on this side, and probably it wouldn't be able to work as well if this side was also fitted the same way. So works fairly well, and you can see it has 7 chambers, and here's 7 dimples, and on the side there's at least 3 slider grooves. Oh, I already know there's only 3 sliders. It's a very interesting lock. Let's see if we can pick it and then show you what's inside of it. And let's attempt to pick this. This wording doesn't let me pick very well from this side, so at least not in this position. I'm going to try to pick from here. The issue is that the sliders are from this side, coming from here. I'll try not to disturb them too much. Let's see. I think the slider is picked. Okay, I think I got my flag a little bit stuck. Let's see if I can fix that. Right. Okay. Okay, now the slider is picked. Pressure. So it does need a little bit of tension. Yeah, and I think, yeah, we got it. Yeah, you saw that it was picked. I suddenly closed it again, but you saw it was picked. I think it needs a little bit of lube, but yeah, let's see if we can get it and disassemble, see what's inside of this lock. Okay, so we have here the Viro Palladium. In this case, that's a 7-pin plug with 3 sliders on the side that interact with this sidebar here. I can't seem to be able to remove these sliders. Maybe if I could force them out, I would, but and I might have some problem assembling them again. I'll show you a close-up like this. You can see they are sprung, and they have these through gates here. And if I insert the key, where is the key? Here. They are pushed in place. not much of a chance of oversetting, so just moving the pick inside with some tension will eventually set them. There you can see how they are inside. Let's try to zoom in. Right. No other modifications here. As for the pins, some standard pins, some spools. I didn't actually feel much from the spools. But yeah, some of these look like they are steel. For other security protection, there's also some vertical steel bars here in the front, and also here in the plug there is an insert that should be also steel, reinforced steel, that will go all the way down here to prevent drilling. Yeah, not too hard to pick, but pretty nice lock. The key is very interesting. Looks like it's made from a different material. I don't know if it's only colored like this, but I think I read it has a different material to be more resistant and resistant to oxidation. Only downside it's that it's not reversible. Of course, in terms of security, in picking resistance, having more sliders would be nicer, and maybe having a smaller sidebar and allowing for a more possibility of overset trapping here would be nice. Okay, so that was the Viro Palladium. Okay, so this was the Viro Palladium, Italian lock, very nice lock, but not too hard to pick. Just needs a little bit of patience. And a thin enough shaft in the dimple pick. Else it won't be too much of a trouble. So, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.